Good day, class. So we'll continue the draw command. So the first command that we've done is line. So in order to use the line command is that we just enter L and then enter. So or you can just use the menu bar, click the line command, and can now draw a line. Okay. So I just create one line. And then the next one is a polyline. So from the word poly could be multiple lines. So just create almost similar the similar uh, drawing. Okay. 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 Enter. So now when the difference between a line and a polyline is that when you select it. Okay. So you see this when you select this line, you'll just select this side. But when you select a polyline, any side, it will be selecting the whole image. So that is the difference between a line and a polyline. Okay? So it serves as a whole image. Okay? So that is the difference. Then the difference between a line and a polyline. Okay? So next we have the command circle. So in order for us, the keyboard command for circle is that you press C, enter. So you have the circle command. So under the circle command, you have different types when in creating a circle. So you have a center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, tan. Okay. So center radius from the word itself, center, and then the radius. Okay, so for example, our radius or specify the center point is we put at the origin 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you can see it is here. Then just click, for example, uh 215 radius. Fifty. Okay, so that is the center radius. So the other one is that center diameter. For example, you have here, okay, then 250. So that is circle diameter. So the previous one that I've done is circle radius, which is 250, and then circle diameter at 250 also. Okay, so next we have the 2 point. So the 2 point is you just put any 2 point. So if there's a specific point, you can click from there to the other end. So I'll just do anyhow. I'll just click from the other end to the other end. For example, 1000 from the other end. So that is your circle with respect to 2 points. So the other circle, which is 3 points. So 3 points. So one, for example, two here, and then another one here. So this is a circle with using a 3 points. Okay. Then now the other one is tan radius. So meaning tangent, and a radius. So I'll just create a two concentric circle here, here. Okay, I'll just do a circle here, then another circle here. So in order for you to know what does tan radius mean. So tangent, so meaning tangent here, for example here, and then another here, and then the radius. For example, 500. There. Then there's that is a circle with respect to a uh tangent to other circle, and with a radius of 500. Okay? So if there's a specific values, you just follow it. No? So another one is a tan, meaning three tangents. Okay? So I'll create another circle or maybe another line. So as long as there will be a tangent for that circle, you can create another circle using a tan, tan. So that is a circle that uses three tangents. Okay, so um, any circle uh, that would be appropriate or applicable in using those commands. So in to create circle, you can use this different types in creating a circle. So you can use a center and a radius, a center and a diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent radius, and tangent. Okay, so that is your command for a circle. So next, we will have a draw command for an arc. Okay, so an arc. Uh, I'll create a line here, enter. Can create another line from here to here. So you wanted to have an arc from here. Okay, so in order to create an arc, you can just click arc, and then you have a start, center, end. If you have a given start and center and an end. If you have an angle, you can use start center angle. If you have length, you can use the start center length, start and angle, so on and so forth. So it depends on the given that you have, no? So all of those ways in creating an arc, you have you can check or you can choose from here. Okay, so usually I use the start, center, end. So for example, you have the start here, the center. So you, for example, around here, and then the end. If you want to arc over here, so if you want to arc on the other side, you um start from below to above. Okay, so meaning going up to have an arc at the right side. So if you want to have an arc at the left side, you use from up above or from top to bottom. Okay, there. There is your arc. Okay. That is how you use arc. It depends if you have start, center angle, start, center length, or start and angle, or it depends on your scenario, or it depends on how your arc should be created. Okay, so you will have a lot of options to check from here. Okay. Then another one, you have the rectangle. So of course, rectangle, the length and the width only. So if you don't have a specific corner or you don't have any origin, you can just click anywhere from this workstation. So you just create the first corner, okay, of your rectangle, and you can just um input the value of the rectangle. For example, 350 by 1000. Then you have a rectangle that has a 350 by 1000 dimensions. Okay? So another one is a polygon. So a polygon will be depending on the sides, no? So for example, if you want to have a hexagon, so you have a six-side hexagon, and then if you don't have any specific point, you just click anywhere from the drawing area. and inscribe in a circle. And you just specify the radius of the circle. So for example, 300. Then you already have a hexagon. Okay, so if you want the octagon, you just uh, change the number of the size of the polygon. Okay, so in arc, sorry, in ellipse, you can use via center or via axis end, or you can also have an elliptic arc. Okay, so for usually I use a center for your ellipse. Oh, if you don't have any particular specific, a specific first point or the center of the ellipse, so just click anywhere from your workstation, from your work area, and just create the end point of the axis. For example, you have 700. Okay, and then specify the distance from there. Then you, for example, you have 200. Then you already have uh, an ellipse. Okay, so you can also use axis end, no? So you can just choose which one is appropriate or which one is faster or has easier option for you in creating an ellipse. Okay, so for a hatch, a gradient, and a boundary. So for hatch, you can check or change. You can use the hatch for an internal point. No, so for example, you want an ellipse, no? So you can change this. You want it to have a hatch, no, or an angle or anything that you wanted to change for the inside of the ellipse. So you wanted to uh, have a pattern. Okay, so you can use the hatch um, command to change the pattern of your ellipse or any polygon that you wanted to have a different pattern. Okay, so you can use the hatch command. Okay. So for the radiant, it has a different color, no? So if you wanted to have um uh, a different color, this one is the default, so you can just change the gradient from, for example, blue and uh yellow or green, sorry, or you can use gray and green. So that is the gradient. So the color, you change the color of the pattern. Okay. So for the boundary would be the boundary. Okay. So you have different boundary for the different images. Okay. So that is how you use your gradient, your boundary, and your hatch. Okay. So these are your drawing um commands. Okay. So I hope if you have any questions, okay, you can just do or comment down below, or you can ask me in our group messenger. Okay, so that would be for the continuation of your drawing commands. Okay, thank you.